How to add credit card in Cibc app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to add a credit card in the Cibc app. It's a simple and quick process, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Cibc mobile banking app on your device and sign in using your credentials. If you don't already have a Cibc credit card, head over to cibc.com or visit the credit card section within the app. From there, you'll see a range of credit card options like travel rewards, cashback, and student cards. Find the one that best suits your needs. Once you find the card you want, click on Apply Now. The application process is simple and you'll get a response online. After approval, the card will be automatically linked to your CIBC account. After the approval, your card should appear automatically in the CIBC app under your account. You don't need to manually add the card, just ensure you are signed into the same account where you applied. Now, if you are wondering if you can add external credit cards from other institutions to the CIBC app, unfortunately, as of now, it's not possible. Only CIBC issued cards will appear and be manageable in the app. That's all for the video.